The complex, politically sensitive issue of immigration took center stage Wednesday as President Barack Obama welcomed Mexico's Felipe Calderón to the White House. It was Arizona's controversial immigration law in particular that threatened to overshadow the pomp and circumstance of Calderón's state visit. Both leaders have been vocal in their opposition to the law and used the visit as an opportunity to ratchet up their criticism.
We also discussed the new law in Arizona, which is a misdirected effort, a misdirected expression of frustration over our broken immigration system.
We will retain our firm rejection to criminalize migration so that people that work and provide things to this nation will be treated as criminals.
The Arizona law will go into effect in July and will make it a crime to be in the U.S. illegally. Obama has asked the Justice Department to review the law, particularly to see if there are any civil rights violations. He expects that final review back on his desk shortly and says his administration will then decide how to approach the law. But on this issue, Obama may find himself at odds with the American public. An Associated Press GFK poll conducted this month suggests that twice as many people support the Arizona law than those who oppose it. Obama says he believes the law is born out of Americans' frustration with a government that hasn't done enough to address illegal immigration. But he says while he's committed to tackling comprehensive reform, he needs Republicans to make it a reality.
I don't have 60 votes in the Senate. I've got to have some support from Republicans.
Obama and Calderón plan to put politics and policy aside Wednesday evening for a formal state dinner. It's the first state dinner for the Obamas since last year's celebration for the Indian Prime Minister was marred by a pair of party crashers. Julie Pace, The Associated Press, The White House.